Evonik Industries is a large chemical company in Germany, and we are specializing in specialty chemicals. That means, in principle, chemicals with a low inclusion rate into final products, but having a big effect in terms of economic performance, ecological performance, and so on. Basically, we have two major drivers forcing us going forward. One is for sure innovation, always based on research and development. We spend about 4% of our turnover, in some areas more, in some areas less. Also, we have a program called Open Innovation, means not doing research only in our own laboratories, but working together with that concept called Open Innovation with customers or with universities or governmental research institutes and customers in order to get the different kind of competences of different parties together for an optimum solution. And the other part is customer intimacy. That means through our sales and technical services in most business areas, we are very, very close to our customers in order to hear from them where we can improve and do things better. So summary, research and development, innovation is one part, and the second part, customer insight through a best and optimal customer intimacy. Definitely we see more and more that animal nutrition cannot be considered separately anymore. Both things come together in order to supply to the ever-growing population a safe and sustainable food, which is accessible, which is affordable, and which is also acceptable by the consumers and by the societies. That means taking into consideration not only the economic part, but more and more the environmental and social part is one of our targets. We are extending our portfolio. We are going what we name into sustainable animal nutrition, and with a new extension line called probiotics, for example, coming out year by year with new products produced by our own. We always invested into new capacities right in time in order to supply the demand of our customers. The most prominent example is methionine, where we started, as you said, about 60 years ago with our first large-scale plant in Germany. Then we built a second one in Antwerp in Belgium. We built a third one in Mobile, Alabama. 2 years ago, we opened our fifth plant in Singapore in order to satisfy the growing demand of our customers. And as I mentioned already, we do not stick only to methionine and to other amino acids only. We also go into the direction of antibiotic growth alternatives. That means prebiotics, probiotics mainly, or other things to come. We realize from other countries that whenever we got our own local team in place, we have a much better customer intimacy. We know more directly the feedback from the market back to our main offices in terms of research and development or technical applications. And therefore we hope, and we are absolutely convinced, that by that step we get this closer contact with a better impact onto the market, to the advantage of our customers, but last but not least to our advantage for sure, in order to improve our sales. So in a nutshell, more direct contact, more frequent interaction, and more support possibilities. I would say reliability is the number one, the most important one for a customer, that he gets the order at the right point in time, as he requested, at the right destination. So reliability in logistics, I would say we are outstanding. Then for sure also the experience over many years in terms of product and technical service. Our people are down to earth, are experienced in sales and technical things like animal nutrition, and also for sure the financial power of our company to invest really into the future, not only living from past activities. I think these are the most important things which we can bring to the customers.